Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the complete setup for using a proxy in Janitor AI to unlock more models and bypass standard API limitations. First, head over to your preferred proxy provider, such as OpenRouter or DeepSeek, and log into your account to generate a new API key. Make sure to copy this key immediately, as you'll need it in just a moment. Now, go to the Janitor AI website, log in, and open a chat with any character of your choice. In the top right corner of the chat interface, click the three-line menu icon and select API Settings. Look for the API Setup section and change the active model from Janitor LLM or OpenAI to Proxy. Once selected, click on Add Configuration to open the setup fields. For the configuration name, you can type something simple like My Proxy. Next, you need the proxy URL. For OpenRouter, this is usually openrouter.ai/api/v1/chat/completions. Paste your copied API key into the designated key field and ensure the model name matches exactly what your provider offers, such as DeepSeek-chat. Finally, hit Save and refresh your page to initiate the connection. You'll see a green confirmation at the top showing your proxy is active. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.